Hi, this is Kevin, and I'm a strategist at Cubicle Fugitive. In this video, I'm going to be talking about list, a type of content in Sitefinity, specifically how to edit an existing list. So here's an example of a list on a page called test page. It's a list of FAQs, and it's an expandable list. If I click on question 1, it displays the answer, question 2 or 3, etc., and I can collapse it, etc. So to edit this list, since it's a content item, it's just a shared content item on this page. To edit the list, I'm going to go to our Sitefinity dashboard, and then under content, I'm going to go to list under types of content. And this will bring up a list of all the different lists within my site. And I happen to only have this FAQ list on that test page. So that's going to make it easy. I'm going to click on that list to open it in edit mode. Well, sorry, it'll bring up the question list from inside it. So one thing actually, I'm just going to back up again to the list title screen. Here you see the FAQ list. I'm going to click on this checkbox and show you the actions menu for a list grouping. You'll see I have the ability to edit the title and properties of the list. If I click on that, it's just an option. Most frequently asked questions. So I'm just changing the name of it, and then I could also change the URL of the list, but I'll leave that as is. I could even add additional URLs. So I changed the name. I'm going to hit Save Changes. So here we are back on the list of list page, and you'll see the new title of my list. And now if I click on it, we'll see the questions inside. They don't have to be questions inside. It could have been a list of anything. Maybe it was a top 10 list, and then each top 10 item would have a title. The question, in this case, is the title. And then the content would be like an about that item on my list. So anyway, now we could edit each list item here, and we can do that much the same as the list group. I could click the checkbox at the front of the row, and the actions menu appears, and then I have the ability to edit content or change the publication date, etc. I could also find the actions menu way over on the right, the 3 dots, and I could click on content. And the other way I can open it in edit mode is to just click on the title, and that's going to open up the question in the edit screen. So here I can now change the question title or item name. So let's call it new question 1. And then I could also change the content answer. So I'm going to change this to new answer 1. I also have the ability to add some categories or tags like such. So when we've made the changes we need to, I could hit save as draft and then preview, or I could hit publish to save and make these changes live, which I'm doing. And then I'm going to actually just go back to the front end of my demo site, and I'm going to refresh this page so we can see the changes I've made. There you go. There's the new title. And there you see now, instead of question 1, it says new question 1. And if I click that, there's the new answer. So this is how we edit an existing list or list item in the Sitefinity CMS.